A new state law is tightening emergency protective orders with stipulations that would make violations felony offenses. With some alarming statistics in Pike County, this new law could come into effect more often.
In looking at this, it's been shocking to me to see how many domestic violence petitions are filed. For instance, here in Pike County, we'll have between 25 and 30 a week. Now, all those don't end up resulting in a domestic violence order, but you have that many petitions, that many people that are asking for protection. From what I've seen, Kentucky is like maybe the second worst in the nation for domestic violence orders. I'm not sure how that's calculated by population or what, but there is an extremely high number of it.
It's Christmas in July at Appalachian Wireless, where you can get an iPhone 14 for a penny or get the latest devices like the new iPad 16e or Samsung S25 on us with select plans. Or how about saving $75 on prepaid devices? Hurry, these deals won't last for long because we are Appalachian Wireless.
House Bill 38 says if EPOs are violated 3 times within 5 years, it is then raised to a Class D felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison.
There's numerous ways of violating it. You know, you'll have no contact, you can't possess a handgun or a gun at all. So at that point, when it's issued, it's a civil. When you violate it, it becomes criminal.
The state of Kentucky is second in the nation in domestic violence cases. However, there are conditions that have to be met before a Class D felony is charged.
So what they did is, if it's the third offense of a domestic violence order, it doesn't have to be the same victim in a 5-year period. It can become a felony, but it only becomes a felony if there's a threat of physical force, or there is physical force, or the threat of physical injury. So if you have 2 violations, if it's for the no contact, and then the third one is a use of physical force or the threat of use of physical force, then it becomes a Class D felony.
Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Sheldon Compton.